Hello Coaster Crew fans, this is Matt and Gina and we're here at Kings Island today giving you an Orion update. We've got a lot of news since the last update. Not much on the lift hill per se, but you can definitely now see the brake run in this view right here. Also, we found out that the bottom part of the drop has been done. So the very bottom piece is done. Also, it wasn't announced from what I recall, but they announced that the drop was going to be 85 degrees, which is very steep, almost, of course, vertical there. Also, it'll get very close to the ground, so that's pretty exciting. A lot of work's been done on the transfer track and stuff like that. You'll see some of that when we go up in the Eiffel Tower here in a bit. I'll show you a couple other views as well. Thanks. Go over by the engine cars and you can start to see definitely the brake run and the lift hill. Over here. We go that way. You can see the drop, the bottom of the drop right there. Brake run's got a lot of work done on this one. Let me zoom in a bit. There's the drop. Got a lot of pieces staged. A little over here. A lot of work done since we were up here. Okay, so I wanted to give a slightly different view because we know that the Eiffel Tower is going to be closing soon for Winterfest, and also that flight of fear will be closed for Winterfest, so that area will be closed. So I wanted to get at least a shot over here so you guys can see it. Nothing's really showing right now, but soon, right there, you should see Orion. So stay tuned, we'll have some updates here in a few weeks or so. Thanks.